Slider. Select the slider icon and holding the click button, drag it to the desired place. Select the style icon. In the appearance area, we can select a specific color for the slider indicator. When clicking in thumb color, it works as the background color. Clicking this icon, you can select the default colors of the property. Clicking this icon, you can delete the color of the property. Clicking this icon, you can customize the color of the property. Open a color selector by clicking this area. You can select any color you like and make contrast between primary and secondary colors. In this bar, you can select any color you prefer. If you have your customized colors already, click this area. You will get the option of enter a color code. Choose between RGB, HSL, and hex formats. If you select thumb border color, you can mark a specific color for the indicator border. It works similar to thumb color. Clicking on selection color, you can mark a specific color for the bar located on the left side of the indicator. It works similar to thumb color. Selecting blank color, you can mark a color for the bar located on the right side of the indicator. It also works similar to thumb color. Clicking on dimensions, you can change the height value of the component. Click dimensions to change the width value of the component. Select the data icon. In control name, you can change the name of the control. If you turn on Enable Dynamic Loading, that will work to give an appearance of loading an element. Turn on Control is hidden to hide the controls. In the slider options area, there is an item called Slider Minimum Value, which indicates the minimum value that the user can select. The Slider Maximum Value item indicates the maximum value that can be selected. The slider step item indicates which value will increase or decrease, depending on the movement of the indicator. The length of the value bar will be shown according to the number. Select the events icon. Click on the plus icon to add a new event or property. The onChange event will be activated when the value of the slider changes. Thank you for watching.